Okay guys, so as you can see, we've got all our panels as they came off the machine. We took them off part by part. You will notice that some of these parts have a bit of a burr on the edge. So before we can assemble this, we just have to clean up these parts perfectly. But you get the idea, as you see on the design here, that even though we did do a lower pocket, it's not exactly visible on the machining itself, the 0.5 that we dropped on the file. So these are all the components. Kaiser's going to jump in quickly and just sand this down for us, get the parts nice and clean, and then we'll be ready for assembly.